Hi friends, we're having a look today at the book of Isaiah in the 5-Minute Bible, and the year is 2024. This is the Ahaz Institute of Biblical Studies, and I'm your old pal PapaDale. I'm a retired pastor, teacher, theologian, and professor with over 50 years of service to the Lord Jesus Christ. If you want to know more about me, there are other videos on this playlist, but for now, let's get moving. Isaiah of the 5-Minute Bible is one of the major prophetic texts in the Old Testament. Attributed to the prophet Isaiah, he ministered during the tumultuous period in Israel's history, approximately 740 to 681 BC. Isaiah's writings are rich in theological insight, prophetic vision, and historical context, making it a crucial book for evangelical Christianity. Isaiah prophesied in a time when Israel was facing political instability, moral decay, and the looming threat of foreign invasions, particularly from Assyria and later Babylon. His ministry spanned the reigns of several kings of Judah, including Uzziah, Jotham, Ahaz, and Hezekiah. This context is important as Isaiah's prophecies address not only the immediate concerns of his time, but also the future of God's people. A central theme of Isaiah is God's sovereignty over all nations. Isaiah emphasizes that Yahweh is not only the national deity of Israel, but also the Creator, who rules over the entire universe. This theme is evident in the emphasis on judgment against the nations, Isaiah chapters 13 through 23, and the ultimate restoration of Israel. Another significant theme is the concept of a remnant. Despite the severe judgment and the overwhelming consequences of Israel's sin, Isaiah speaks of a faithful remnant that will be preserved. This remnant theology underscores God's mercy and commitment to his covenant people, highlighting that even in judgment, hope remains. Isaiah 10, verses 20 through 22. Isaiah is renowned for its messianic prophecies, which are foundational for Christian theology. Passages such as Isaiah 7:14, which speaks of a virgin giving birth to Emmanuel, and Isaiah 9, 6 through 7, which describes a child who will be called Wonderful, Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, and Prince of Peace. These are seen as foretelling the coming of Jesus Christ. Isaiah 53 is particularly significant, painting a vivid picture of the suffering servant who will bear the sins of many, a passage that Christians interpret as a direct response, a direct prophecy of Christ's atoning work. Keep in mind, these were all prophecies made centuries before the birth of Christ. Isaiah's messages are both prophetic and ethical, calling the people back to covenant faithfulness and social justice. He condemns the hypocrisy of worship that is divorced from righteous living, and emphasizes that true worship must be reflected in one's actions towards others, especially the marginalized, Isaiah 1, 11 through 17. Isaiah's vision extends to a universal scope, culminating in a future where God's peace will reign. Passages such as Isaiah 2, 2 through 4, depict a time when nations will come to the mountain of the Lord to learn his ways, highlighting the inclusive nature of God's plan for salvation. The book of Isaiah serves as a profound reminder of God's holiness, justice, and mercy. For evangelicals, it plays a vital role in understanding God's redemptive plan throughout history, and this culminates in the person of Jesus Christ. Isaiah's messages encourage believers to live righteously and to look forward to God's ultimate restoration of all creation. As such, Isaiah remains an essential book for theological reflection, worship, and mission in the evangelical church today. And so I'm your old pal PapaDale. This is the year 2024, and the lecture you just watched is the Isaiah lecture from the 5-Minute Bible for the Jan Hus Institute of Biblical Studies. And so today and right now, I'm your old pal PapaDale signing off and saying I'm going to be praying for you till the next time I see you. I'll probably pray for you after that too. But I'm going to be praying for you that you'll be well and that you'll be blessed.